Today we have something truly exciting to talk about. An absolute powerhouse of a compact camera that's making waves in the photography world. Yes, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Leica Q4. This latest iteration in Leica's legendary Q series is designed to deliver exceptional performance, combining premium image quality with a beautifully refined compact form factor. If you're looking for a camera that balances portability and power, the Leica Q4 might just be the perfect choice. But what sets it apart from its predecessors? Let's explore all the exciting features that make this new release truly special. A classic, yet modern design, the Leica Q4 carries forward the iconic minimalist elegance that Leica cameras are famous for. It boasts a robust, weather-sealed body constructed from high-quality magnesium alloy, ensuring durability without unnecessary weight. The camera's black leatherette finish not only enhances its premium aesthetic, but also offers a firm grip, making it comfortable to hold even during extended photography sessions. This meticulous attention to detail showcases Leica's commitment to both functionality and style. Compact yet powerful, the Q4 is designed for photographers who demand high-end performance in a form factor that easily fits into a bag or even a large pocket. The controls remain intuitive, with a well-balanced mix of traditional dials and modern touch functionality. Whether you're a seasoned Leica user or new to the brand, the Q4 offers a seamless experience that encourages creativity. High-resolution sensor for unmatched image quality. At the heart of the Leica Q4 lies a state-of-the-art 47.3 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering breathtaking detail, exceptional color accuracy, and enhanced low-light performance. This cutting-edge sensor is paired with an upgraded Maestro 4 image processor, significantly improving speed and efficiency. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, immersive portraits, or dynamic street photography, the Q4 ensures that every shot is rich in detail and vibrancy. The expanded ISO range allows for greater flexibility, making it easier to shoot in challenging lighting conditions. From bright daylight to dimly lit interiors, the Q4 retains an impressive level of clarity, minimizing noise while preserving intricate details. This is a game changer for professionals and hobbyists alike who want to push the boundaries of their creative expression. An upgraded Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH Lens. One of the standout features of the Leica Q4 is its outstanding Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH lens. Renowned for its razor-sharp clarity and beautiful bokeh, this lens is ideal for street photography, landscapes, and portrait shots. The wide aperture allows for excellent depth of field control, making it easier to achieve professional-looking results with stunning subject isolation. Additionally, the Q4's improved optical formula minimizes chromatic aberration and distortion, ensuring that images remain clean and true to life. This lens, combined with the upgraded sensor and image processor, makes the Leica Q4 a formidable tool for anyone serious about photography. Advanced autofocus and shooting. Performance Leica has taken autofocus capabilities to the next level with the Q4. Featuring an enhanced phase detection autofocus system, this camera offers incredibly fast and precise focusing. Whether you're capturing moving subjects or shooting in low-light environments, the improved autofocus ensures that your shots remain crisp and well-defined. For those who enjoy action photography, the Leica Q4 delivers with an increased burst mode, allowing you to capture multiple frames per second without compromising image quality. This is perfect for street photographers, event photographers, and anyone who needs to freeze fast-moving moments with absolute precision. A stunning electronic viewfinder and LCD display camera of this caliber deserves a high-quality viewfinder, and the Leica Q4 doesn't disappoint. It features a high-resolution 5.76 million dot electronic viewfinder, EVF, that provides crystal-clear previews with exceptional brightness and detail. The improved EVF ensures that you can frame your shots with precision, even in bright outdoor conditions. In addition to the EVF, the Q4 also boasts an upgraded 3.2-inch rear touchscreen LCD display. This high-resolution screen is not only sharp and responsive, but also allows for intuitive touch controls, making it easier to navigate menus and adjust settings on the fly. The combination of an advanced EVF and a touchscreen display makes shooting with the Leica Q4 a seamless and enjoyable experience. captivating image and video quality. The Leica Q4 isn't just about still photography, it also shines in the video department. Capable of recording stunning 4K video, this camera is a fantastic choice for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who demand exceptional video quality. With its improved processing power and superior optics, the Q4 delivers cinematic visuals with rich colors and precise details. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or producing high-end creative content, the Q4 provides the tools you need to elevate your work. The combination of high-resolution imaging and professional-grade video capabilities makes it a versatile camera for multiple shooting scenarios. Leica Q4 versus Leica Q3. What's new? For those considering an upgrade from the Leica Q3, let's take a quick look at what makes the Q4 a significant step forward. Improved sensor. The Q4 boasts a more refined 47.3 ANRP full-frame sensor, offering better detail retention and improved low-light performance. Faster processor. With the new Maestro 4 processor, the Q4 delivers enhanced processing speeds and reduced lag. Enhanced autofocus. The introduction of phase detection autofocus makes capturing fast-moving subjects much easier. Upgraded viewfinder and display. The new EVF and touchscreen LCD improve the overall user experience, providing clearer previews and better touch functionality. Better ISO range. Expanded ISO capabilities mean better performance in challenging lighting conditions. While the Leica Q3 was already a phenomenal camera, the Q4 takes things to the next level with these refinements, making it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and enthusiasts. Final thoughts. Is the Leica Q4 worth it? The Leica Q4 represents the perfect blend of classic Leica craftsmanship and modern technology. With its high-resolution sensor, exceptional lens, improved autofocus, and refined design, it is an incredibly powerful tool for photographers who demand top-tier quality in a compact package. If you're in the market for a premium full-frame, compact camera that delivers outstanding image quality, robust performance, and a seamless user experience, the Leica Q4 is a fantastic choice. It's an investment in creativity, precision, and timeless photographic excellence. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the Leica Q4. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth tech insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Have any thoughts or questions about the Leica Q4? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, right here on Technology in the Future.